Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today, I'm going to share with you all of these fantastic deals and show you how I scored all of these items, not only free, but I made over $7 buying it all. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step just how I did that. At the very end of the video, I will include pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. I hope you guys are having a great week. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Okay, so let's talk about some of the easiest deals first. I'm going to talk with you about some Ibotta deals. Of course, if you're not using the Ibotta app, you definitely want to grab it because using my code will get you an extra $10 when you scan your first receipt. So last week, this offer popped up in my app, but I could not find them at my store. So I tried a different store today, and I got this Coke with coffee. It's priced at $1.88. Ibotta was giving $1.88 back, making it completely free. I like snagging the freebie offers because those get you closer to the bonuses on Ibotta, so you get even more money when you buy free items. And I also got the Maxwell coffee. So I got the French Vanilla Cafe. And I grabbed this one because Sister Saving You Cents gave me a heads up on this. So thank you, ladies, for that. This is only $2.92, but it ended up attaching to two different rebates on Ibotta. So I got back $1.25 twice on Ibotta, which is $2.50. So that makes this little thing of coffee just at 42 cents. I also noticed this morning that there was an Oreo offer for $1.25 back, and it said any variety, any size, and I knew that had to make for some free Oreos. So over on my Instagram page, which is Save with Christina, I posted a completely free deal that you can do with those little Oreo packs that you can find up by the register. Those are just $1, and Ibotta will give you $1.25 back, making it completely free and a 25-cent moneymaker. But apparently I wanted more Oreos than that, so I grabbed a bigger pack of the Oreo minis. These were $1.98. I still got the $1.25 back, but of course it wasn't free. It was 73 cents. If you want the smaller pack up by the register, totally fine. It'll make it completely free for you. That was a limit of 1. Now, I also grabbed these turtles at the register. Now, this is a Shopkick deal. So if you're brand new to Shopkick, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. These are only $1. When you scan it in Shopkick, you're going to get 20 kicks. When you purchase it, you're going to get 200 kicks. Now with Shopkick, 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So 220 divided by 250 is 88 cents. So that means this was just 12 cents total. A great deal, and these are pretty darn yummy. So I think 12 cents is not a bad price. Now, I've mentioned the new app that I'm using called Brand Club. And a lot of the other food deals have to do with Brand Club and some of these items over here as well. What I want to tell you about Brand Club, if you're having some issues syncing your Walmart account, what I have been doing is scanning my receipt into my Walmart app. Okay, and I showed you how to do this in a video earlier, but I'm going to show you again quickly. When you go into your Walmart app, you click on your purchases, then there's a little scanner barcode. You click that scanner, you scan the barcode of your receipt, and it will pull your purchase into the app. At that point, that is when I sync to Brand Club, and sometimes it'll say no rewards found. I have no idea why that's happening because it is actually finding rewards and giving me money. I just have to go to the activity of my app to see that, and then I'm getting the money back there. So hopefully that helps you troubleshoot some of those issues. Of course, I am not technical support for Brand Club, so I can't help with those technical issues. So if you're having more technical trouble, definitely shoot them an email at support@brandclub.com. But one of the offers I did was on the Crystal Light. This is $2.68. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. I had done a survey on Brand Club, which gave me $2.75 back when I purchased this product, making it completely free and an 82-cent moneymaker. Now, I've also bought this ramen a few weeks in a row now. This is only 36 cents, but because I took a survey on Brand Club and then purchased this product, it gave me $2.25, making this completely free and a $1.89 moneymaker. Did the same thing with the Yoplait yogurt. This is 64 cents. Brand Club gave me $2 back for completing one of the surveys and then buying the product. So I got this completely free and a $1.36 moneymaker. Now, the surveys on Brand Club are available to you based on your purchasing behavior. So I noticed that when I bought this Maxwell coffee, I had not bought this before. I noticed that when I bought it, it gave me like some locked rewards. So my guess is that will probably start to unlock Maxwell surveys for me. And then I can get even more money back the next time I purchase Maxwell products. So I also did that with Gatorade. I had done a survey on Brand Club that gave me $2.25 in locked rewards. The way I unlocked that was going and buying a product. So I bought this Gatorade for $1.34. I then unlocked that $2.25 that I could cash out into my Venmo account, making this completely free and a 91-cent moneymaker. So of course, to get more bang for my buck, I am looking for products that are both on Brand Club and on Ibotta. That way I can get rewards back from both of them. I did grab the Kraft mac and cheese again. This is just 88 cents. I had done a survey for $1.75, so that made this completely free and an 87-cent moneymaker. I think that was all of the food. There's some great offers on coupons.com this week. So one thing that you can get are these Colgate Kids Cavity Protection. They are 94 cents each. If you go into the coupons.com app and you scan this product, it will show you that it qualifies for a $3 off to coupon or rebate. So I bought these at 94 cents each. I then submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app and got $3 back, making it completely free. But I had also done a Colgate survey on Brand Club, so I got another $2 back from Brand Club, making both of these toothpastes completely free and a $3.12 moneymaker. Now, the KY jelly, I mentioned this a couple weeks ago. This is $2.94. There is a $3 coupon, and I will have it linked for you in my printable document. If you use that coupon, it makes this completely free and a 6-cent moneymaker. If you don't want to print the coupon, you can just submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get the $3 back that way, whichever way you prefer. But either way, it's going to make it free and a 6-cent moneymaker. Now, I also grabbed some Love's diapers. Okay, these are $5.47. There's a $3 rebate on Ibotta. That would make them $2.47. But I had also done a Brand Club survey that gave me $2 back, made this pack of diapers just 47 cents. And each time I'm buying these products, not only am I unlocking some of the surveys that I've done, but I am getting a little bit of money back for purchasing the product as well. That does come as a locked reward, and it doesn't unlock until I buy the product again. That's why it's called a brand loyalty program, because they are rewarding us for continuing to buy their brand. So awesome. I am loving the Brand Club app. I know it is not perfect yet. I know that there's some hiccups and some technical little things that people are experiencing, but I think it is absolutely worth it. I have absolutely loved using this app, and it helps me get all of this stuff for free and make $7 buying it all. Okay, another coupons.com deal. So this Chic bamboo razor is $5.97. Buy this bad boy, use the $4 coupon that I'll have linked for you. You're gonna pay $1.97. Then you're gonna get $2 back on Ibotta, making it completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. Now, I also got some poise pads. These are $5.47 each. I used two $3 printable coupons that I'll link for you. So I paid $2.47 per box. Now my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $4 back when I purchased 2 of them. So I got $4 back on Fetch Rewards, but I had also done a Brand Club survey for Poise. So I got another $2.50 back from Brand Club, making both boxes completely free and a $1.56 moneymaker. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch, definitely a great one to check out. It is super easy to use. I do have a full tutorial on it that I can link for you below, but if you use my referral code, you're gonna score an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt. Now, the very last deal that I'm gonna tell you about uses one other app. It's called Swagbucks. I know not all of you will use every single app I talk about. That's totally fine. You use what makes sense for you, but I wanna tell you about as many different things as possible because what you like and what someone else likes might be totally different. So I'm just trying to show you all of the possibilities. Now, Swagbucks can be confusing for people, so I do have a complete tutorial on that one that I will link for you down in the video description box. But on there, they had an offer for $7 back when you buy 2 of the Armor All products. And there were a number of different products that you could choose from, and it's very clear in the app which ones qualify. So I grabbed these leather care wipes, which I love using on my car because it's so convenient. But these are $4.37 each. So when you grab 2 of them, you're going to pay $8.74 at the register. Submit your receipt to Swagbucks. You will get $7 back, making it $1.74 for both of them, or just 87 cents each. Now, the downside is, for some reason, when I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks, it did not give me the happy bunny. It went to review. So for some reason, they wanted to review my receipt on that. And as of the time of this video, it had not been approved quite yet. So hopefully it'll be approved in the morning and I will get that $7 back. But I did want to let you know that happened. So if that kind of thing bothers you, you might avoid that deal, but I know other people have done this deal and they have received their $7. So when I had everything up, everything was completely free, and I made over $7 buying all of these items. So super excited about my haul this week. I can now take that $7 and buy additional groceries. Everyone's always asking me, how do you get great deals on fruits and vegetables or meat? You could take that overage and apply it to some of the other groceries that you need to buy for your family for the week. All right, any questions, y'all let me know down in the comment section. Hope you're having a great week. Thanks.